How many eyes does a honeybee have? A. 2, B. 3, C. 5, D. 8. Snails can sleep for how many years at a time? A. 1 year, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. 5 years. What is the only mammal that can fly? A. Bat, B. Flying squirrel, C. Owl, D. Eagle. Which animal's heart is located in its head? A. Squid, B. Jellyfish, C. Shrimp, D. Crab. What color is a giraffe's tongue? A. Pink, B. Blue, C. Purple, black, D. Yellow. How many noses does a slug have? A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 6. What is the largest species of shark? A. Great white shark, B. Hammerhead shark, C. Tiger shark, D. Whale shark. Which animal has the most legs? A. Octopus, B. Centipede, C. Millipede, D. Spider. What animal has blue blood? A. Lobster, B. Octopus, C. Horseshoe crab, D. Starfish. Which mammal has the thickest fur? A. Polar bear, B. Otter, C. Arctic fox, D. Sea otter. What is the only bird that can fly backward? A. Sparrow, B. Hummingbird, C. Kingfisher, D. Robin. Which animal does not have a brain or a heart? A. Jellyfish, B. Starfish, C. Worm, D. Clam. Which bird has the largest wingspan? A. Bald eagle, B. Albatross, C. Condor, D. Ostrich. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Which mammal spends its entire life in the ocean? A. Seal, B. Walrus, C. Whale, D. Sea lion. How long can a cockroach live without its head? A few minutes. B, a day. C, a week. D, a month. Which animal has no vocal cords? A, giraffe. B, snake. C, turtle. D, penguin. How many stomachs does a cow have? A, 1. B, 2. C, 3. D, 4. Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? A, monkey. B, koala. C, gorilla. D, chimpanzee. How do starfish eat if they have no mouth? A, absorb food through their skin. B, use their stomachs outside their body. C, filter food from water. D, swallow food whole. Think and explore. Here's a fun question to get you thinking. Why do flamingos stand on one leg? Take some time to look it up and learn more. Don't forget to share your answer in the comments.